Okay, so if you're a new driver in Bolton, or you're a parent trying to find the right driving school, you already know it's a huge decision. But the real question is, which school actually gets you ready for the roads here in Bolton? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dig into.
Before we even get into names and prices, let's just pause and ask the most important question first. What really makes a great driver in Bolton? Because let's be honest, it's not the same as learning to drive downtown or out in some sleepy little town. The challenges here are unique, and that means your training has to be, too.
And yeah, this really paints the picture, doesn't it? I mean, you've got Queen Street, which is basically a highway, Highway 50, running right through town. You're dodging heavy truck traffic all the time. One minute you're on a quiet village street, the next you're on a fast rural road. Oh, and did we mention winter? Yeah, there's that. Plus, you're right next to the 427, the 407, you name it. A driver in Bolton needs to be ready for absolutely all of that from day one.
So the big question is, how do you actually find a school that prepares you for that reality? Well, you need a system, a checklist. And the analysis we're looking at lays out a really smart way to evaluate schools, focusing on what makes you safe for life, not just what helps you pass a 20-minute test.
Okay, so here are the big things to look for. First off, is it MTO approved? That's what gets you the G2 eligibility in 8 months instead of 12, which is huge. Next, do they teach real defensive driving? And this next one, this is so important. Does the school give you structured support for all the practice you do between the official lessons? And finally, does the training actually fit the local roads here in Bolton? All right, so when you take that checklist and you stack up the options, the analysis points to one clear leader in Bolton: Young Drivers of Canada. So let's break down exactly why they stand out, because it's not just about one thing, it's about their whole approach. And here's the core idea, the big takeaway. Young Drivers isn't just selling you a package of driving lessons. What they're offering is a complete safety system, and that's a totally different mindset, one that's designed to tackle the biggest risks new drivers face. So the first piece of that system is their curriculum. The source material calls it gold standard, and what that means is that the whole program is built to create a safe driver for life. It's all about teaching real, measurable safety skills, not just checking the boxes to pass the road test. But what does gold standard actually look like when you're behind the wheel? Well, it means they prepare you for those exact Bolton-specific challenges we just talked about. We're talking about how to safely handle the Queen Street corridor, how to navigate those complex intersections, how to manage those constant speed changes, and maybe most importantly, what to do when things go wrong, those emergency skills. Okay, now for the second part of their system, and honestly, this might be the most important part of this entire explainer. It's all about closing something called the practice gap. This is the one thing that truly sets them apart, and it's a concept that every single parent of a new driver needs to hear. So what on earth is the practice gap? Simple. It's that massive difference between just, driving around to log your hours and having high-quality, purposeful practice that actually builds real skill and confidence. It's all about quality over just quantity. And this comparison really makes it clear. On the one hand, you've got errands with mom or dad, just driving the same old easy routes over and over, not really learning anything new, maybe even reinforcing some bad habits. But on the other hand, you have purposeful guided practice. This is where you're working on specific skills, like lane positioning or judging gaps in traffic with a clear goal in mind. It's how you build real confidence. So how does Young Drivers help you close that gap? They have a specific tool for it. It's called the Driver's Coach app, and its whole job is to connect what you learn with your professional instructor to all those hours you spend practicing with your parents. And the system is just brilliantly simple. Here's how it works. Step 1, you learn a new skill with your pro instructor. Step 2, that skill gets loaded into the app as a practice target. Step 3, your parent or whoever is supervising you sees that target and helps you work on it during your practice drives. The result? Every single hour you spend in the car turns into real, actual progress. Okay, so we've talked about the gold standard curriculum, we've talked about closing the practice gap with the app, and all of this is leading up to the elephant in the room, the price. Let's be real. A complete system like this is not going to be the cheapest option out there. So it's important to think of this less as a cost and more as an investment in safety. So yeah, let's just put it right out there. What about the cost? We know it's what everyone is wondering, so let's just look at the numbers head on. Okay, so here's a look at the Bolton market. And yeah, your eyes immediately go to that price column, right? And there's no question, young drivers is in a premium bracket. But hang on, before you make up your mind, look at that middle column, curriculum and tools. Notice something? Young Drivers is the only one offering that combination of in-depth defensive driving plus the driver's coach app. So you see, you're not just comparing the price of lessons, you're comparing the price of lessons against the price of a complete system. And this right here really sums up the entire analysis. Young Drivers wins because its key features, the curriculum, the app, they target the real safety issues. It's all about building defensive habits and turning that practice time into structured progress. That's the game changer.
All right. So if this system sounds like the right approach for you and your family, what's the next step? Let's map out a clear action plan to get you from holding your G1 to being totally ready for that G2 road test.
And first, just a quick reminder of one of the biggest perks of doing any government-approved course. You can slash your wait time for the G2 test. Instead of waiting a full year, you can be eligible in just 8 months. That is a massive advantage. So, here's your 4-step plan. It's super straightforward. 1. Figure out which YDC package is right for you and get signed up. 2. Book your lessons and get into a consistent weekly practice routine. That rhythm is key. 3. Make sure you're actually using the driver's coach app every time you practice. And 4. Schedule your road test with plenty of lead time. Brampton or Etobicoke are your closest bets. And here's a fantastic pro tip, especially for the parents out there who will be supervising. Think of your practice drives in stages. Start in the quiet residential streets. Let them get comfortable with scanning, stopping smoothly. Then level up. Add in some drives on Queen Street to work on lane discipline. After that, maybe tackle some tricky intersections like King and Coleraine. And finally, when they're ready, don't be afraid to go out in the rain or even the snow. That's where true confidence is built. So, we'll leave you with this one final thought. At the end of the day, the choice really boils down to this one simple question. Are you just training to pass the test, or are you training for a lifetime of safe driving? Your answer to that question will probably tell you everything you need to know.